Good day to you. I want to welcome you to this 2 days free web design class without coding. Our focus is we want to raise digital entrepreneurs in the tech market and in the real estate market. So, but for now, we are focusing on the tech opportunities, how you can actually leverage on, digital skills that can fetch you money, in your living room, even without you having an office. So, you are welcome to the 2 3 days class. This is Digital Skill Academy. You are going to be seeing a lot from us, powered by Soft Media. So, we are starting with a web design class, and our goal is that we want to show you how you can actually start, having a skill that can put food on the table. So our training is a 2 days training. Today is day one, and tomorrow is day two. You can see our course outline. We are looking at how to buy a domain name. A domain name is your business name for your website, and two, how to host your website. And module 2, we are going to be looking at how to gain Cpanel access, that is control panel access. What is control panel? We are going to be getting into that in a short while. And under module 2 for today, we are going to be setting up our control panel. How you set up your control panel, those things you need to enable before your site will start working. Module 3 tomorrow, which is day 2, we are going to be looking at how to set up your web builder, how to configure web templates and plugins. Module 4 finally, we'll be looking at how to prepare your web content, how you can package your content, make them ready for online publication. And we're going to be looking at website front end and back end. So we want to have your testimonials, we want to have your feedback, we want to have your comment. Immediately after today's class, you can drop your questions, you can drop your comments. We will appreciate your feedback, your honest feedback, so that we can know how to serve you better. So today, after the class, we'll take your questions, and tomorrow, finally, we'll take your question as well. So you are welcome. Quickly in the chat box, in the comment box, in the group, I want to know you, want to get to know you. Kindly introduce yourself. Tell us your full name. What do you do for a living? And where is your location? Are you in Lagos? Where are you in Lagos? I'm in Lekki. Don't just put Lagos. No. If you are in Abuja, tell us you are in Kubwa, Abuja. If you are in Lekki, say Lekki, Lagos. If you are in Ipaja, say you are in Ipaja, Lagos. Let us know where you are precisely. And let's have, what's your goal for this course? What do you want to achieve? Let's know your goal so that we can see how we can help you to achieve your aims and your objectives. Quickly, my name is Samuel Olorunda. I'm a teacher, a husband, a father of 3 ambassadors, a realtor. I love real estate. I love helping people to solve, help them to invest in the real estate market. First-time home buyers, how you can get settled in your home. You need a property at a budget in a particular location. You can drop me your property requests, and within the space of 72 hours, we should be able to come up with something good that you can afford. So feel free to chat us on WhatsApp, on Facebook, or drop your comment on our YouTube channel. So if you are watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe, like the channel, and hit the notification bell so that anytime we drop free quality content, video content that will give you knowledge and skill that will help you to make extra income, adding to what you are doing, looking at the economy of Nigeria, looking at the fuel scarcity and all the challenges on ground. So we are going to be dropping a lot of free quality content on digital skills, on real estate opportunities that you can harness, and it will fetch you money. So by the grace of God, I've been in the tech market for over 20 years. I've built over 40 websites, and some are within the country, some are outside the country. I've made sold products worth hundreds of thousands, making 7, 8 figures online. Some of our projects, recent projects, you can see them on the screen: Penny Metropolitan, Baccalaureate, Serenity NG, Fission.org, and Feelway.org. So many sites. So we just say, let's show you some of these few we've done. I love financial freedom. I love living the laptop lifestyle, using my laptop, using my data to make money online. What about you? Why are you buying data on your phone every day? Why are you online? Is it just for entertainment? Me, I tell myself that every money I spend on data should be bringing money back, in multiple folds. So we want to hear your story. We want to make you the next success story. So go with me as we journey in this class. So module 1, quickly, how do you buy a domain name? So quickly, I'm going to jump online and show you how you can actually get a domain name. So quickly, before I go online, let's go through this. This is module 1 for our training. How do you buy a domain name? You need a domain name. What is a domain name? A domain name is the address of your website that visitors type into a browser to access your business online. Your domain name is like a name. When you say you have a business name, you can have a name that people can access on the internet anytime, any day. Even while you are asleep, your website, your online office is what is online. People can access your website, they can access your services. Example is sekisoft.com.ng, and we also have trendystores.com. So these are examples of what domain name. And don't forget that we have .com, we have .net, we have .edu, we have international business.info.org.gov. The most popular out of all the domain extension is .com, and that's why many people go for. But what's the meaning of .com? .com is for commercial. If you are a business owner, you want to get a domain, a website for your business, it is advisable you go for .com. But if it's an organization, a church, an NGO, non-profits, they usually go for .org extension. And the third popular one is .net. .net, that's .network. .org is organization. And there are other top level country domain names, like you say .com.ng, .org.ng, any domain name that has an extension of a country pointing to a particular country. That is what we call top level country domain names. So sekisoft.com, that's our site. .ng is an example of .com.ng domain names. What you should know is that if you are going for .com or you are going for .com.ng, it doesn't really make any difference. It doesn't limit the work. You understand? It doesn't mean that because it's .com.ng, people cannot access it all around the world. It's not like that. People can they can access it anytime, any day. Anytime, any day, they can access it. So we're going to be going to the practical section, how you can leverage on having a domain name for your business, for your company. And don't forget that there are domain service providers. We call them domain registrar. We have local one, we have the foreign one. And if you want to pay for these services, you can use your debit card, your ATM cards. You can use PayPal account. You can use crypto. Some of them are already accepting crypto as a means of payment. So stay with me as I see you in the next video.